Hi, today we're talking about service invoices and we're going to understand how we can create service invoice PDF files completely on automation. So as you can see, this is a simple invoice Google document which has been created over here, and corresponding to this document I also have a service invoice database which I have created in Notion. So what we are going to do is we're going to use this Google document template file and we're going to use the information in the database, and we'll be creating a PDF file one by one for every record of this Notion database using an automation setup. So basically we will link this Google document template file, we'll link this Notion database, and we'll create a PDF file one by one for all the records of the database. For this, first of all, head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the entire automation setup. Click on get started and simply click on continue with Google. Choose the particular account from the list and then click on continue, and make sure you enable this checkbox which is very much essential for generating the PDF file. So this checkbox must be enabled at all times. Click on continue, and once you end up inside the dashboard, you need to start adding the Notion database to begin with. So click on add Notion database, click on connect to Notion, and let us copy this database title that we have over here and click on select pages, and inside this drop the database title. So you can see the service invoice database coming over here. Click on this to add it, and now you can see the service invoice database has already been added. Let me remove the other ones which I do not need. Click on allow access. So now this will give access to the service invoice database which can be used to generate the PDF file. Just simply refresh once, it will automatically fetch the correct databases for you if you're not able to see it on the very first time. So now you can see the service invoice database showing up over here. Click on next. It's time to add the Google document which will be the source of template file. Click on add Google document, click on select Google document, and let me copy this document title from the top. Go to the documents view and enter the document title inside the search field and click on search. Select the document, click on select. So now the document as well as the database has both been added. It's time to start mapping the fields which can be used to generate the PDF file. So first is we need the client name. So let us search if we have a client name field over here, which we already have. Click on copy to copy the client name and simply remove the property which we do not need and paste it. So use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. Next is the client company. Let us copy this property and let us go to the document to map it. Remove the field which we do not need and Ctrl V or Command V again to paste it. So all we are doing is copying and pasting the property. So let us copy this again and paste it. Let us get to the zip code part. Let us copy this again and again paste it. So with the help of this, we simply needed to copy the properties on the right side and paste it onto the Google document on the left side. So that created an entire mapping structure for us. Once all the mappings are done, click on download PDF. You have multiple options to select from. I'll go with all the rows, and here you can choose a particular column which you want to use to name the PDF file. So I'll be using the invoice number as a reference which will be used to name the PDF file. Click on the start. So it will automatically generate me the PDF file as per the invoice number that we have over here. So you can see the first file is already out. Let us go to the download folder. So I have already invoice 002 and invoice 001. Let me open up the first document, and you can see all the values have been correctly mapped using the values from the Notion database. Let us see the second file, invoice 001. This has also been correctly created. Let us see the last file, invoice 003. This has also been precisely created. So we created 3 PDFs quickly with the help of the database that we had and the mapping structure that we used. This is how simple and easy it is to use. Add the database, add the document, map the fields, and generate the PDF file. If you have any questions for this, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this chat window at the bottom of the screen to send me a message. I'll be happy to take away issues on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.